the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana, the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Korean ground beef with white rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1/4 cup of brown sugar packed, 1/4 cup of reduced sodium soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of ginger grated, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1 pound of ground beef, 2 scallions sliced thinly, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and also 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Okay guys, for our white rice, I have 2 cups of water brought to a boil. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm going to add in 2 cups of white rice, which has already been washed. Okay guys, all I'm going to do is give that a stir, and we're going to let that cook down until the majority of the water has evaporated. Okay guys, as you can see, the water has evaporated, so we're going to lower our heat to the lowest heat. I'm going to take a piece of aluminum foil, and I'm just going to cover my pot, and we're going to allow that to cook for 30 minutes. Okay guys, to a bowl, I'm going to add my soy sauce, my brown sugar, sesame oil, ground black pepper, and my pepper flakes. And all we're going to do is mix everything until it's well combined. Okay guys, in a frying pan over medium heat, I'm going to add my tablespoon of vegetable oil. To that, I'm going to add my minced garlic and also my ginger, and I'm going to saute that for about 1 minute. After a minute, I'm going to add my pound of ground beef. What I'm going to do is go in and break it up and make sure everything is mixed well. Okay guys, you want to make sure that your ground beef is broken down well, no big chunks. And all we're going to do now is continue to cook it until it's all brown. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, we're going to remove it from our pan and drain it of any excess grease. Okay guys, after draining your ground beef, return it back to your pan. We're going to add in our sauce mix. And you also want to add in half of your scallions. And we're just going to let that cook for 2 to 3 minutes. You can go ahead and give that a good mix. Okay guys, after 2 to 3 minutes, you can turn your pan off. This looks and smells amazing. It Also, our white rice is done cooking. You can see it's nice and fluffy. So now we're going to begin to plate. Okay guys, I have my rice in the bowl. Next I'm going to add my ground beef. Once you added your ground beef, we're going to take some sesame seeds and sprinkle them over at the top. And now we're going to put some scallions also over the top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Korean ground beef and white rice. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment, and until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.